Welcome to Woven Deal, your home for practical financial wisdom where we break down complex money concepts into clear strategies. Today, we are exploring structured debt elimination systems that can transform your financial life. Dealing with multiple balances can feel overwhelming, but having a clear blueprint changes everything. By taking time to understand your numbers, you take the first major step toward total control over your income. Let us dive deep into how these structured payoff systems work and how you can implement them right away. Before picking a system, you need a complete picture of everything you owe to make informed decisions. Start by listing every single debt, including credit cards, personal loans, student debt, and car payments. Write down the exact balance, the current annual percentage rate, and the required minimum monthly payment for each account. Skipping even one small subscription balance or store card can throw off your overall timeline. Gathering all of this accurate data forms the foundation of your entire debt freedom strategy. The first major strategy we will explore is the debt snowball method, which focuses entirely on psychological momentum. With this approach, you order your balances from the smallest total amount owed to the largest total amount owed. You ignore interest rates entirely when setting up your target list order. You commit to paying the absolute minimum on every single debt except for the smallest balance. Every available extra dollar in your budget goes directly toward wiping out that smallest debt as fast as possible. The beauty of the debt snowball comes from the quick visual wins you achieve early in the process. Knocking out a small balance in just a few months gives you a massive mental boost. That psychological momentum builds confidence and keeps you motivated to stay on track over the long haul. Behavior change drives personal finance far more than pure mathematics for most people. Each eliminated balance reduces the total number of bills you have to manage every single month. Once your smallest debt is fully paid off, you take its entire monthly payment and roll it into the next smallest. For instance, if you were paying $50 on a small card, that entire $50 gets added to the next target payment. As you clear each account, the total monthly amount applied to the next balance grows larger and larger. This accelerating rolling payment is why the strategy is called a snowball. Over time, your payoff speed increases dramatically as smaller balances disappear completely. The second major strategy is the debt avalanche method, which prioritizes strict mathematical efficiency above all else. Instead of focusing on balances, you organize your debts from the highest interest rate down to the lowest interest rate. Just like the previous strategy, you pay minimums on everything while targeting the top priority. The fundamental goal here is to minimize the total amount of interest paid over your entire repayment journey. Every extra dollar goes directly toward the debt that costs you the most money per day. By targeting high interest rates first, the Avalanche method saves you the maximum amount of money legally possible. High interest rates act like a massive drain on your monthly income, preventing real progress. Paying off an 18% interest credit card gives your money a guaranteed 18% return on investment. Mathematically, no other risk-free financial move offers that kind of return. For analytical mindsates, watching total interest charges drop rapidly provides all the motivation required to stay disciplined. Choosing between the snowball and avalanche methods comes down to understanding your personal behavioral style. If you need quick victories to stay committed and feel rewarded, the snowball method is your best choice. If you are driven purely by numbers and hate wasting money on interest charges, choose the avalanche. Neither method is wrong because the best system is simply the one you can stick with until finished. Consistency matters far more than theoretical perfection when paying off heavy debt loads. Regardless of the system you pick, finding extra money in your regular budget accelerates your target timeline. Take a close look at your monthly income and trim unnecessary subscription services, dining out, and impulse shopping. Every dollar you liberate from daily spending acts as fuel for your debt elimination system. You can also generate temporary income through selling unused items around your home or taking on side projects. Directing all extra cash flow toward your target balance creates rapid progress. To see how these two systems work in practice, let us explore an interactive simulation. Experiment with adjusting total balances, monthly contributions, and average interest rates to see how different parameters shape your payoff trajectory. Building a starter emergency fund before attacking your debt-aggressive strategy is an essential safety net. Aim for at least $1,000 stored safely in a high-yield savings account. Without this buffer, an unexpected emergency like a car repair will force you back onto credit cards. Reverting back to borrowing breaks your momentum and damages the psychological commitment you built up. Protecting your progress with a basic financial cushion ensures you never take steps backward. Automation is one of the most powerful tools for maintaining long-term financial discipline effortlessly. Set up automatic minimum payments for every single balance so you never suffer late fees or credit score drops. Then, set up an automated transfer on payday to send your extra target money straight to your primary debt. Removing daily manual decision-making prevents spending temptations from derailing your structured plan. When your money moves automatically toward your goals, success becomes your default routine. Tracking your visual progress regularly helps keep your enthusiasm strong throughout multi-year payoff journeys. Create a simple paper visual tracker, a chart on your wall, or a detailed spreadsheet to record balances. Watching your total combined debt decrease month after month provides immense personal satisfaction and clarity. Share your milestones with a supportive friend or family member who understands your long-term goals. Celebrating each fully eliminated balance reinforces positive financial behaviors for life. Avoid common traps that frequently set people back during their debt elimination journey. Stop using your credit cards completely while paying them off. Cut them up or freeze them if necessary. Refrain from taking on new loans or balance transfers unless you fully understand all underlying transfer fees. Adding new debt while trying to clear old debt creates a frustrating cycle where you never reach the finish line. Commitment to living strictly within your current cash flow is mandatory for lasting success. Once your final debt payment goes through, you transition from debt elimination to long-term wealth building. The huge monthly snowball payment you were using to eliminate debt can now build your permanent financial future. Redirect those exact funds toward building a full emergency fund, investing in index funds, and funding retirement. The very same discipline that freed you from debt will accelerate your journey toward true wealth. You now possess total control over your income and future. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe this channel. Like the video if you found the video great. If you have any questions, leave me your comment through the comments section.